how to redeem Youtooz code. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to redeem Youtooz discount codes. So please watch till the end of the video to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can check out the website using the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. So now I'm here on the Youtooz website. So as you can see, they're selling different kinds of toys that you want. And if you want to find something, just scroll down and you will see a bunch of toys that you can find and you can add them to your cart. So I'm just going to add this one to my cart, for example. And as you can see, if I go to the shopping cart, I click this one. This product already has a discount embedded into it. So as you can see, the discount code is below the price. So Swagger Rip Delay. And if you want to add another discount, you can just add your discount code right here on the text box right here. So if you want to find some discount code, I suggest you to go to this website, wetrip.com. So don't worry, this is not illegal. This is perfectly safe. So as you can see, all of the codes that you're seeing right here comes from Youtooz official discount. And this website just lists all of the actives promo discounts that you can redeem, just like this Swagger with delay code right here. So if you want to buy another product and if you want discount to that, just use this code as of now in November and just input the code right here on the text box and click checkout. And that's how you redeem promo code in youtooz.com. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.